On 10th June 2022, the Meghalaya Board of School Education had declared the results of the HSSLC Arts and Science streams and the SSLC Examination held earlier this year. Topping the list in the HSSLC Arts stream was Ramyank Nilap Chakrabarti of the higher secondary section of Don Bosco College, Tura, who scored a total of 460 marks. In the science stream, Gyanesh Roy Bhomik of Laban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School, Shillong, topped the list with a total of 469 marks. In the SSLC results, the first position in the top 20 list was awarded to Mebai Hunsha Kharbhi of St. Paul's Higher Secondary School, Marbisu, where she scored a total of 575 marks. Speaking about her achievement, Ame Baai Hun Shah Kharbhi said that due to challenges of the online classes mode in the past 2 years, she had to work doubly hard to secure herself a good position in the board exams. She also informed that her preparation had started since she was in class 9 and the number of hours dedicated to studies increased daily from 5 to 7 hours on an average. The SSLC topper also said that she owed her success to the Lord Almighty and also to all her teachers who have been guiding her throughout her preparation for the board exams.
Tempat perkara banyak hadu first day tambah ainu ibling balayo entah mayo sukman ha mayo sini sama position na dan cuma baik dengan ka stream science buat benek ni buat ben science buat ben di bakam channel ni di saya dah Aku beri gijing berikut dan sebelum ni gijing maduk ba sedang online class kamtam gila duk mai gijing betai kelas menkai di shule online class kalau kam ni dan tentang shit kada connection tambah nasi system itu lagi rugi nasi di pedah gijing betai YouTube shit klik di link unjuk gidan ni kai system lagi ba ni kai baru hi system hai kamtam ni sabare ila yarap shibun dengan shi jungi ai kai ngai ka science ki subject apa dah yarap dengan shibun lah hak jing bekai jangan ada usang kelas 9 ada tam usang kelas 10 dengan tristam hak kelas 10 dek tam ngara tristam kami masih pikir baik masih practice maths kemat ke dan kam ha practice maths ni masih lan lah sini subject hadu tristam memang kasih di science ini